Okay guys, we are starting a really big art project where we are going to transform the hallway that's outside of mine and Miss Kingsley's room into space. It's going to look like outer space. So there's going to be a bunch of different stations and you kind of get to choose where you want to go. But once you choose your station, you have to stay there. And I ask that you do your best work while you are there, okay? I'm just gonna go in rainbow order. For the red table, Star Station, Kinder through 2nd grade, you guys are just gonna have, these are little coloring sheets of stars. There's a few different options that you can choose from, and you're gonna get some oil pastels. Choose one piece of paper that you would like to do. I'm just gonna choose the one on top because it's easier. Close back up my folder, and I'm just gonna color in the stars, all different colors. And after I'm done coloring them all in, you guys are gonna cut these out. Don't worry about putting your name on these because they're all just gonna go up on the wall. So after you color each star, you're just gonna take your scissors and cut out. So I have one star done. I see some white spaces that I want to color in, so I'm going to fix that. Make sure you're not doing any scribble scrabble. We want our stars on our wall to look really, really nice, so please take your time with this. For the orange table, you're going to have a bag of dice, and then this is the alien station. So you're going to roll your dice to create your own alien, basically. If you don't like the idea of rolling your dice, what you can do is just choose your favorite ones and piece it together that way. But you're just going to get a piece of free draw paper. Please make sure that you're drawing your alien nice and big. Or if you want to do a smaller alien, maybe we can cut our paper in half so that it's this size right here. And then you can draw it on this size piece of paper. But for example, I'm just gonna do just a few. So it landed on 3 on my first roll. It says roll 1 right here, and it landed on 3. So that is the body shape that my alien's going to be. Okay, for my second roll, I'm doing my eyes. Is 1, so I'm gonna have 3 eyes. For the arms is a 6. So these are the type of arm I'm doing. And then I'm just gonna do the rest really quick. Okay, once you're done designing your alien in pencil, you want to outline with either a Sharpie or a paint pen. I don't know where we are in Sharpies. You probably have to use a paint pen, and then add your color. Do not forget to add your color. And then if you have time, you can go ahead and cut your alien out and put it in the pile. At Yellow Station, you're going to design your own astronaut. So again, you're going to get a free draw paper. You can either draw your astronaut super big or get a half sheet of paper, your choice. That is this size. And all you're going to do, these are not coloring sheets. I know they probably look like them, but these are just to give you ideas. There should be enough for 1 sheet per person. And you're not coloring these in, you're designing your own on a separate piece of paper. So you can either copy one or like let's say you really like the helmet on this guy. but you like how he is standing in this one. So you could copy this helmet and put it on this body right here. So you're just designing it separately on your own piece of paper. You are not coloring these in, okay? Once you draw in pencil, then you're gonna outline in Sharpie, and then you're gonna add color. If you have time, you can cut it out, and then you'll put it in the completed pile. With that being said, green table and blue table are very similar in the rules. So what I'm saying is these are how to draw. These are supposed to help you, but you are not coloring these in. So green table is a rocket station, so you're gonna design your own rocket. I put at the bottom, don't forget to add the flame onto the bottom of your rocket, because we wanna make it look like it's flying through space. So make sure to add that flame. Draw in pencil, you can either design your own or copy from one of these, it's up to you. Make sure whatever size paper you choose, you're gonna draw big, take up the whole paper. Draw in pencil, outline in Sharpie, then add your color. So basically the same rules for the UFO station. There's a bunch of different examples that you can choose from. You can try and copy or come up with your own design. Draw in pencil, outline in Sharpie or black marker, and add your color. The last station is purple table, and that's a planet station. So you get to design your own planet, or you can kind of copy ones that we already know. So this is supposed to just give you a few examples of what you can do, or just design your own. You can do a bunch of craters instead, or name your own planet. But with this station, you have a bag of circle tracers. So we've got these cups that you can trace. If you want to do one big planet, you can use this paint palette, put it on your paper, go around the edge with your pencil, and then add your cool designs. After you add all your cool designs in pencil, outline in Sharpie, then add your color, okay? If you cut anything out today, it needs to go in the completed bin. We'll have neon colors that you guys should be able to use for the planets if you want to. That way they glow in the dark. So when it's time to clean up at the end, the expectation is that your station looks exactly how it did when you came in. So all of my cups are nice and stacked inside the bag. All of my paint palettes are stacked inside the bag, and it is closed. Same with my dice station. If you're at the alien station, please make sure there should be 6 dice in each bag. My dice are yellow, Miss Kingsley's are white. So just make sure that you are putting them back in the bag and zip-locking it closed so that we don't lose them. And then same with the origami station. Okay, I have 2 separate piles. They need to stay nice and neat. And whenever it's time to clean up, you're not just shoving the papers back in the bag.